Even this Kwankwaso here, there are many people long time ago believe that it's Okonkwo and Sons. But because Hausa man cannot say Okonkwo and Sons, so they are saying Kwankwaso. Now, in those days, 30 years ago, for example, when I was contesting to become a member of the House of Reps, I'm sure you forgot that I was Deputy Speaker of the House of Reps in 1992 during the SDP and the NRC days. Now, those time, people were hitting me with that Okonkwo and Sons. Because it was a local election, it could be seen to be negative at that particular time. But now, even though the entire Okonkos are part of my constituency, so I'm happy about it now because I have maybe an entire zone that is being added to my own constituency.